moms and dads, I'm going to go through sort of a tutorial on how to give this mastery test to your child this week. So as you can see, there are 5 different sounds that your child is going to have to say for us. And as they say it, I'd like you to make sure that you are recording it so we can hear them say the sound, make sure that they are doing it and saying it the right way. So the first thing you want to have your child do is sit in ready position. And what that means is hopefully they're at a table, somewhere where they're sitting at a chair, maybe a desk. Their back is all the way to the back of the chair. The chair is scooted in, which means their tummy is going to be touching the table. And they've got their hands in ready position, which should look like this. You're going to have them point with the hand that they write with. So I'm right-handed, so I'm pointing to this first ball with my right hand. My other hand has a job. It has 5 fingers on the page so that the paper, when I move my finger here, which is called tracking, is not moving around. It's keeping the paper in place. So you want to have your child sitting like that before you get started. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start with this sound. You're going to tell your child to think. That should tell them that they are saying the sound in their head, so when they have to say it out loud, they know exactly what to say. After they have a moment to think, you're going to say, "Get ready," and then you're either going to snap or clap, which is going to cue them to move their finger down and then back up to the ball under the sound. They're going to say the sound, hold the sound until you snap or clap, at which point that's going to cue them to stop saying the sound and move their finger down and back up to the ball. So it would go like this. Think, get ready, ah. That's what it would look like. One of the important parts of this, mom and dad, is that when you snap or clap the first time and they're holding that sound, you want to give them 3 seconds to say the sound at least before you snap again to have them stop. All of these sounds need to be held for at least 3 seconds. So let me show you again. You're going to tell them think. They're going to hopefully say the sound in their head. Get ready. Ah. All right, it's really important when they sound out a sound that they move their finger down, back up. They keep it there until you snap again, and then they move their finger down and back here. So that's what that should sound like. This one will sound like this. Think, get ready. Okay, you want to make sure that they're not but they're just holding the sound nice and steady. All right, and then you're going to say think. I like to remind the kids, remember, this sound has a hat, so he's going to say his name. Think, get ready. E. This one, I always tell them to pucker up like they're going to blow a kiss or blow bubbles. Okay, so remind them of that. And then you're going to say think, get ready. If they don't pucker up for this sound, then what it sounds like is like an ER. So it's really important that they pucker up like they're going to blow a kiss. You don't want it to sound like ER. That's not right, okay? So that's really important to make sure they pucker up for that. This last sound will look like this. Think, get ready. So you are not modeling the sounds for any of these. I just wanted to remind you what the sounds would look like. All you're doing is telling them to think. Then you're going to say get ready. Then you'll snap or clap. They'll move their finger. They will say the sound. You will count for 3 seconds in your head. You'll snap or clap again. They will move their finger and stop. And then you'll go on to the next one. If you have any questions, let us know.